Dear participants, in this training, we are going to learn about certain principles, which are very essential, of effective quality management system. These are total 7 QMS principles. 1. Customer focus. 2. Leadership. 3. Engagement of people. 4. Process approach. 5. Improvement. 6. Evidence-based decision. 7. Relationship management. Principle number 1. Customer focus. Your existence, in your organization, is only possible when your organization exists. Existence of your organization is only possible when customer exists. It means, your existence is directly proportional to existence of customer. If there are no customer, for product or service you make it for them, you are not required in the organization. Hence, customer is called God. It is also important that you must meet current requirements of customer, at the same time, put efforts for future requirements that customer can ask for. Ultimate aim of quality management system is customer satisfaction, no enhancement of customer satisfaction. Principle number 2, leadership. For any organization to succeed, leader plays important role. Leader always has certain vision and burning desire to achieve. Vision means art of seeing invisible things. Leader provides strategic direction to work in order to achieve organization goal. Visionary leader always have long-term goals, and these long-term goals are divided into small goals or short-term goals, with time-bound target. And these goals are being monitored and reviewed regularly by them. In a new series of ISO standard, there has been a specific clause, that is clause 5.1, applicable to leaders, and it is also said that leader is accountable for effectiveness of management system. Principle number 3, engagement of people. People plays important role in any organization. And it is said that people are asset for organization. Leader alone cannot achieve any goal without team. Clause 7.1 of ISO 9001 has given emphasis on resource and people requirements. Standard also has defined requirements of establishing responsibilities of each role. It is significant requirement of any effective management system. Principle number 4, process approach. Process is called converting input into output. Process does not mean procedure. Output of one process is input for next process. Standard has given emphasis on establishing process indicator for each process in order to achieve intended outcome. Process performance indicator is always helpful for establishing effective management system. Clause number 4.4 of ISO 9001 has given emphasis on process mapping and requirements of process indicator. Principle number 5, improvement. Improvement must be a permanent goal. If you are not going to improve, you will be out from the market. If your organization is not improving, your organization will be out from competition. Improvement is compulsory requirement for any business in current competitive environment. Improvement may be any of followings. 1. Improvement in product quality. 2. Improvement in infrastructure facility. 3. Knowledge gain relevant to product, people, or process. 4. Improvement in people strength. 5. Enhancement of production capacity. 6. Improvement of packing or delivery performance. 7. Change in the method, or a procedure. 8. Reduction in rejection, or waste generation. Improvement may be either process improvement or business improvement. Keep in mind, as an individual, improvement must be permanent goal. Principle number 6, evidence-based decision. Decision must be made based on fact or information. These fact or information is also called data. Data must be analyzed in order to make decisions. But it is a compulsory requirement that data must be true and non-manipulated. Clause number 9.1.4 of ISO 9001 has given emphasize that data generated from specific process must be analyzed in order to conclude or identification of opportunity. If data are false, it is not worth full effort to do data analysis. Hence, data of any kind must be maintained for future reference. Data analysis helps in order to identify improvement opportunity. Principle number 7, relationship management. Customer is called God at one end. Supplier must be called another God at another end. You are able to meet requirements of your customer only when, if your supplier is meeting your requirements. Hence, it is very important to balance relationship with customer and supplier both.